Hey everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for watching last week where we reviewed our new redheaded Chelsea friend and her cute Dollar Tree summer outfit. I'm calling it a summer camp outfit because she has her little denim shorts, backpack, boots, and her little necklace that I think looks like a compass. And as I promised, the other two Dollar Tree outfits. Today, I'm going to put them on our brunette because she's not wearing a real Chelsea outfit and I think she deserves it. And I want to put one of these ones that have the clothing already painted on. I think I'm going to put her in this one because I want to see how it will fit because she has this little where the skirt was supposed to go, this little dent. So it's always good to test them out. At the end of the video, make sure you tell me in the comments, have you seen these three outfits at Dollar Tree? Because they were not there the last time I did Chelsea review outfits. It was all long sleeve stuff. And which one is your favorite? I am really leaning towards this one because it just reminds me of tennis. And the more I look at this one, I realize it's the same necklace. So maybe this isn't a compass. Maybe it actually is just a necklace. But with this outfit, I am still going to call it a compass. It's just one she's wearing around her neck because this girl is headed, took her right out of the frame, to summer camp. And I'm going to have her just sit right there. I don't know, maybe she'll sit off to the side. Isn't she cute? I absolutely love her. I do think that maybe the pink is a little bright on her lips with her red hair. When you compare, this one has a softer pink. She has a brighter pink, I believe. No, they all have different shades. Look at that. They all have different shades of pink. Her lips are actually more of a purplish color. I never noticed that. I never noticed. Learn something when we're playing with our dolls. Isn't it fun to discover new things with our dolls? I love it. I love it. Let's just get right into it. So I am going to move our little dolls to the side. Maybe I will just move this one. She's cute, off to the side for now. That way we can bring them all back when they are done. Which one should we open first? This one. Let's do this one. This, I believe, is a one piece. And normally I don't like when it's like printed on, but because it's so hard to find anything, and I mean anything for Chelsea, at least where I am. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Do you have a hard time finding Chelsea stuff? Barbie stuff is everywhere. But finding stuff for Chelsea, it's actually hard. Like, I was, again, completely shocked to find the swimsuit. Where is it? This one. The swimsuit outfit for Chelsea. Because this one's authentic Mattel. Do you know how hard that is to find around here? Let me know in the comments if it is for you. Again, the quality is not the best. You might want to, oh my gosh, look at how they sewed that. Maybe trim that off. But let's get it open. So it is one piece. It is just the skirt. It is nice that they put the pleats in, though. Okay, let's get our doll. We're going to use our brunette, this brunette. Let's get her old outfit off. There we go. This skirt is actually from Rugrats from 1997. So this must have been, I guess we got that in one of our thrift store finds, and it would have been maybe with like this Kelly outfit that someone from the 90s was putting onto their Kelly doll. I don't know. Maybe. I don't remember. All right, let's get this outfit on her. So now, same thing. Yeah, same thing. Do you see the stitching there? They're not finishing the stitches. But when it comes to Chelsea stuff, I just want outfits for her. I just want outfits for her. And I think most people just want outfits for their Chelsea dolls because it's really boring when you're playing with dolls if you don't have a change of outfit for them. I mean, Barbie, even Ken has so many outfits that I can't even really fault. The Dollar Tree, oh my gosh, look at how cute. It matches the red elastic. Maybe that's why I subconsciously picked it. She came with a red elastic. Oh, it's so cute. Let's get her little shoes on. And again, these are not actually being marketed as for the Chelsea size dolls. They are actually for a different line. But How absolutely adorable. These are for the Forever Friends, which are the same size as Chelsea dolls. And these dolls are also available at Dollar Tree. But for under $2 to get the whole outfit, the shoes are so important because I don't know. I had so many Chelsea shoes over the years, and now I have just these ones because I don't know where they've all gone. I don't think that the pink purse, oh, it's got writing on the back. I don't think that the pink purse really goes with the outfit. I mean, she's wearing red and black. Let's pop her necklace on. I mean, it's cute. I love it. The purse is not it. I don't know why they would put pink accessories with the red and white and black outfit. I like it. Let's put them all together now so we can decide. I'm not liking the pink. I actually think maybe the pink purse should have gone with this outfit, and maybe we swap them. Maybe we'll swap them. I don't know. Let's see. So far, though, this one that I didn't think was going to be my favorite is my favorite. But we haven't opened this one that I thought would be my favorite. And we're going to put her on this doll that has the swimsuit already attached. Let's go. And I don't know how many Barbies or how many of these little hats that I have, because even in the 80s, my dolls had these. These are like a very typical, every Barbie has the little sun hat. Here's the dress. Oh, I mean, the quality is a little bit better than this one, but the material, this is a better material. I'm not liking the material. The top is actual fabric. This just feels really cheap, but again, we're going to give it credit. Let's see how the skirt fits on a Chelsea that has painted on clothes. Let's go. Let's get her little arms in. Come on, Chelsea. Blonde Chelsea. I love these. Let's go. Let's go. I'm so glad Mattel decided to give Barbie another sister, and they aged her up, because having a baby sister's fun and all, but okay, so it doesn't fit as well. It is a little more snug, and the arms aren't fitting as nicely. I don't know if that's just the way they sewed it. Do you see that? It's just not. I think that just might be the way they sewed it. Oh, no, there it goes. Okay, yeah. Doesn't fit her as nice. It does hide the seam here. You can feel it's right there. Right there. So this is hitting right here on the seam. It is hiding it. This one is just a really poorly made one. I can't get it to sit flat. And I don't know if I can't get it to sit flat because of the outfit. The painted on outfit underneath. These dolls, the ones that don't have the clothes painted on, have become my favorite simply because you can buy outfits. And these ones were really only good for pretending it's a swimsuit or a gymnastics suit, especially when they only came with these little skirts. And the elastic in them over 10 years has stretched. So, I mean, I do prefer these ones where you can just change their clothes. They are a more traditional Barbie type. I still love these dolls. I mean, this doll was in one of our very first videos where we painted the living room table with paint that we made, with stain that we made. She was in, this one was in a lot of my early videos. I have had her for, well, 10 years. And the same thing with these ones, but these guys have become my favorite. Let's continue getting the outfit on. I don't know. I love the shoes. I love the shoes. And in this case, little tennis shoes actually makes sense. And she comes with the white. Do you see this? Can we pop it open? Or is this the same? Is it like the backpack? Yeah, no. You can't pop it open. But at least they put the two handles together to make it easier to get on. Can she even hold it? Okay. And let's get her little tennis hat on. Messing up her hair. She is an old one. All right. There she is. Okay. What do we think? Which one is our favorite? Is it the backpack? Is it the red skirt? I don't know. Okay, I'm going to put them in order, and you tell me if you agree. I'm going to take them. I'm going to put them in my favorites order. Number 1. Number 2. I'm going to put them this way. Number 1 absolutely is my favorite with the backpack, even though I didn't think it would be. And even though the shorts sit a little funny, I like the idea that she is going to summer camp and that this could be her compass. Number 2 that I thought would be my favorite, and I'm taking points off, is because of the way it's sewn. It's not sitting nicely on her shoulder, but I do like that it hits at the waist where this little line is. I like that. I like the fact that the purse matches. I like that she comes with a hat instead of a necklace. Number 3, I'm going to rate this one. I love the dress. I even like the printing on it. It just gives it that. I don't like they went with a pink necklace and a pink purse. And even if I were to switch the purses, I don't think, let me get it off her hand. See, if I gave her the white purse, it's a little bit better. But then this one has a bright pink purse. This bright pink purse just is not giving with any of these outfits. If we took the purses away and maybe this necklace, then maybe I would put them in this order. But honestly, this one's my favorite. I love it. But you let me know in the comments, which one do you prefer? I love them all. I'm so glad I got them all. But 1, 2, 3. That's it for this week. Thank you so much, everyone.